Alright, check this out. Alright, no bubbles this time. That's our clogged up line. And the Picote. He's been working at it for a while. Let's see if it worked yet. Might have to go open up over here. No, still coming up. Oh, there goes a bubble in there. We're gonna have to open up this guy. See what's going on over there. Figure out how come the clog isn't open up. Okay, I'm heading towards here. Head towards here. That's why it hasn't been opening up. This is just a trap. So I'm gonna have to either open up from the back of the toilet or possibly this hole in the floor. Once that goes there, I'll have to see where to go. Might have to go from behind the toilet over here. Yeah, point. I want that to drain first though. Look at that. So that one I cleared, but actually I think this separate clog, there's two clogs here. I think the clog actually might come from this one. So I'm gonna go through here. I also see some roots coming over here we're gonna have to deal with. See those roots? Get those guys out as well. Let's try to see if it fits over there. It kind of makes sense. Look at all these roots I pulled back here. Look at that. The system is clogged up. It's penetrating not just from one spot. We got a lot of spots where the roots are coming in. All right, let's turn it in over here. All right. Okay. Got it right here. Oh. Almost got splattered. Nice. Beautiful. All right, see what happens now. Open this bad boy up. Oh yeah, you see the water went down all the way? Yeah, that's flushing. Kind of hard to do this with one hand when it's dirty. Alright, we're gonna clean out those roots in the main line and did a pretty thorough job, man. Wall drain cleaning, baby.